In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order shoes from Alibaba step by step. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to the world of online international buying, this guide will ensure you navigate the process smoothly and securely, especially as we step into 2025 with all its new features and interfaces. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Alibaba.com. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and straightforward. For those of you who are returning customers, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find Alibaba's search bar prominently placed at the top of the page. Type in what you're looking for, such as running shoes or leather sneakers, depending on your preference. As the search results roll in, it's crucial to prioritize your safety in transactions. Look for suppliers that have the verified supplier badge or are offering trade assurance. These filters offer peace of mind as they indicate that the suppliers have been vetted and your payment is protected through Alibaba's assurance program. Once you've narrowed down your options, choose a product that catches your eye. Click on it to dive into the specifics. Pay close attention to details like the minimum order quantity, which tells you how many pairs you need to purchase at a time, the price point to ensure it fits your budget, and the various shipping options available to your location. When you're ready, click either Contact Supplier to discuss potential customizations or special requirements, or Start Order if you're ready to proceed with the purchase. This is a good time to talk details with the supplier. Discuss sizes, colors, any logo customizations you might want, and don't forget to ask about samples, especially if you're ordering in bulk. Samples can be crucial in verifying the quality of the product before making a larger purchase. Selecting a secure payment method is vital. Trade assurance is highly recommended as it protects your order from beginning to end. It ensures your payment is only released to the supplier once you confirm your order is satisfactorily received. Finally, confirm your shipping address carefully to avoid any delivery mishaps and place your order. Double check everything, and if everything looks good, confirm and finalize your purchase. And there you have it, an efficient way to purchase shoes from Alibaba with confidence. Remember, taking these precautions ensures a seamless and secure transaction, leaving you satisfied with your purchase. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this, keeping your online shopping both savvy and secure. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!